Asus is arriving on the Italian market with a new smartphone. This time we have a kind of communicator. It's the M930. I'm Emilio Vignapiano and these are the video preview of Cellulare-Magazine.it. Here you can see the phone. We have also the box. Proto number, all the characteristic, Windows Mobile of course. Let's see what we have inside the box. Here was the phone, instruction manual, and the cover to hold the phone on the belt. Travel charger, mini USB, USB cable to sync and recharge the phone, stereo handset, branded Asus 2.5mm jack, unfortunately. Let's see the phone. As you see, the dimensions are not so small, but there is also an inside one. So let's start from the front. Turning on, turning off button. Speaker working great. The voice is high and very clear. Screen outside, it's with a resolution of 240 by 320, just 65,000 colors. Working pretty good. As you see, we have Windows Mobile, but it's standard edition, so no touch screen is here. Two soft keys. This soft key is not working very good, but you can use it very fast thanks to the joypad of 5-direction joypad, and it's working good. The keys are nice, very well separated, as you see. Big, and everything can be used with just the thumb. No front camera for video calling, there is inside, we'll see later. On the bottom, mini USB to connect and sync, 2.5mm jack, the speaker, the microphone. On the right side you have the camera button, as the camera is on the back, so you will hold it like that. The phone is locked. Okay. Photos are good in good condition, are excellent in excellent condition, and are very bad in bad condition. So the camera on the back works just fine when you have nice light condition. Balance of the volume, micro SD expansion. Inside you have a memory of 250 MB of ROM and 128 MB of RAM, so you have enough space to do all the things that you need to do. Camera with the speaker up on, 2 megapixel just. Here is the battery, not so easy to open and to get inside, but the battery is very well optimized, as you can have more than 1 day also if you have a good user. For strong user, as usual, you arrive just at the end of the day. Nothing on this side as you open, And then you have the inside screen that has a resolution of 400 by 240. We really don't know why Asus put just a so small screen, probably for some battery issue or just to don't let the price go high, but really seems to be small for all this space. In front here you have also the camera, it's a VGA camera for video calling. And when you do video calling from the outside, you have to open, instead the other person cannot see you. You cannot use the back camera for any video calling. As you see, we have also a keyboard here that works nicely. We cannot say anything more because, as you see, everything is moved on the left side. So you use more the right thumb because you have to go on the left. And the left thumb is working just half. So we don't know why they choose to put all the things on the right side, so you have all this part that are just commands. We also had you have to configure your service of writing, because instead you will use the predictive writing also when you use the QWERTY keyboard. As you see inside, you have Windows Mobile on it, working very fast thanks to the processor, 400 MHz. Here you were the task manager, that really helps. As we don't have any branded on this phone, you have also the messenger. This phone is a 3-band GSM with GPRS, H, UMTS, but also HSDPA connection, so working good. No GPS, no digital TV, but you have the Wi-Fi that works fine. That was pretty fine. You can use wireless free hotspot around the city. You don't have any IRDA, but you have the Bluetooth 2.0, so no problem with stereo headphone. With the mechanism, we find it very useful to use in hands, but when you are on a surface like that, no, there's no really good way to use the phone. It's very solid when you use the phone. When it's closed, it's a normal clamshell, a normal candy bar, but when it's open you can fast write email, MMS and all the other stuff. Web browsing is not so good because the resolution is just 400, so you have the page cut in two and you have to scroll from the right to the left. The price is 490 euro. Not so expensive for a phone like that, because really the QWERTY helped for the mobile email, but we expect some bigger screen and some better usage of the QWERTY. For Cellulare-Magazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano with the Asus M930.